Silky Beat.
Honor X40 just launched yesterday. Fast refresh rate, OLED curved display, mid-segment, 5G processor, 50 megapixel dual camera setup, slim in design, huge battery and many more. Today I will show you the unboxing and the first impression of the Honor X40, world's cheapest OLED curved display phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is Honor X40 box with the text X40 and branding printed on it. Lifting this up and get Honor X40 and feels very light. And get another box containing the following: SIM ejector tool, user manual and clear jelly case. Next up, it's a 40-watt power adapter and a USB A to C cable. Now let's unwrap the plastic and talk about the display. Honor X40 comes with 6.67-inch OLED curved display, and this time comes with 45-degree micro curved display instead of flat screen. In this price segment, we never get the curved display, and it's a 1 billion color display with 10-bit color depth and a high refresh rate of 120Hz. Another one is the eye protection experience. In the past, in this price segment, we most often see the eye protection mode, which reduces the blue light of the screen. But on the Honor X40, in addition to the eye protection mode, it also supports 1920Hz PWM high frequency dimming, which reduces the damage of the stroboscopic flicker to our eyes, especially in the dark light, which will play a crucial role. You can see the comparison with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Coming to the back camera of the Honor X40 adopts the design of the full moon star ring, and it's called a matrix vision camera, and that written in the middle part of the camera module. The back of the phone made with the AG glass, and the phone thickness is around 7.9 mm and weight is around 172 grams only, which is lighter than 189 grams of the previous generation, and that makes it the thinnest and lightest mobile phone on the market with more than 5000 mAh battery. Now let's talk about the performance. Honor X40 equipped with the Snapdragon 695 processor, a 6nm processor, which is basically enough for daily use and supports a 5G networks. In comparison, it is a little surprising that the processor has not been upgraded compared to the previous generation, but Honor has focused its upgraded on the screen. The application of the smart storage expansion technology can expand the standard 12GB RAM to 19GB, so you can keep the more applications in the background, and you can get 256GB max storage. Now let's talk about the camera. Honor X40 comes with a dual camera setup in the back, a 50 megapixel primary camera and another one is 2 megapixel macro camera. You can see the camera samples here. In terms of the battery life, the Honor X40 is equipped with the 5100 mAh battery, which is actually a big improvement compared to the 4800 mAh of the previous generation. It is also 100 mAh more than conventional 5000 mAh battery on the market. It can use average of 2 days. Phone comes with a 40-watt charger. It can charge 0 to 100% battery in just 66 minutes. Honor X40 base variant price in China is around 1499 yuan. We converted in dollars is around 215 US dollars and around 187 pounds. So what you guys think about the Honor X40? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.